Right.
Start from your right. Samne, center. Sir, yes, sir. Center. Both of you straight here. Straight. Both of you here. Sunny over here. Sunny center. Sunny right. Sunny center. Sunny straight.
Here we have the amazing producers with us. So, विजल जी आप बताइए मुझे सबसे पहले कैसा लग रहा है, हाउ वाज द ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस, और क्यों ये मतलब कहाँ से ये आइडिया आया बॉलीवुड सीट्स ले लें एंड देन दोबारा मुझे कुछ देर बाद ज्वाइन करें. थैंक यू. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, the most awaited part of this evening when we are going to play the trailer. So let's quickly, without any further ado, have a look at the trailer of Tera Intezar. Now, all right, so for that you have to make some noise, become kids, because I present to you two stunning personalities, Sunny Leon and Arbaz Khan. Come on, everyone, put your hands together for the super stunning Sunny Leone and Arbaz Khan. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on, everyone. And we'll quickly take a few pictures. And right after that, we'll do some chit-chatting. Thank you very much. So, first of all, congratulations, Sunny and Arbaz. You both look fantastic, and you look absolutely stunning. My God. So, what was the overall experience? Because हमने सुना आपने Mauritius में shoot किया, Kutch में shoot किया. So, what was the experience?
First, I want to thank everybody for being here tonight and supporting us. Secondly, to answer your question, it was great shooting. I mean, we shot in a few different locations. We shot here in Mumbai, we shot in Mauritius, we shot in Kutch, and Mauritius was beautiful. Oh, okay.
Which place did you like the most?
Mauritius. I'd never been there before, and it was really, really beautiful, and somewhere where I definitely want to go on vacation.
Lovely. And what about you?
Well, it's too loud. Thank you everyone for coming. I had a great time on this film. Like I always mention that one of the main reasons for me to do the film is on my right-hand side, over here. And would be anybody's reason, mine for sure. And apart from that, it was a great experience working on this film. You know, I would like to thank the producers, Aman and Bijal, and the director Rajiv for getting me on board. And I think they've done a great job. They've really worked hard. And we've shot at some really nice locations, like Mauritius is one place we shot. And I have a great affinity towards that place because I did my first film, Darar, over there. My first schedule for the film was shot there. And subsequently, I shot a few more films in Mauritius. So going back to Mauritius was wonderful. So yeah, so we shot in Kutch, we shot in pretty much few places, Mumbai. It was great. Nice.
Lovely. Congratulations once again, and I'm sure and we hope that the film sees flying colors. And with that, once again, it's time to invite our producers and the director on stage. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together once again for Vijay ji, Aman. I'm not going to call her Aman ji because she is just too hot. And of course, Mr. Rajiv. And so, would you like to call the remaining cast also on stage?
Arya, can you come? Bani, Richa.
I would also like to call our associate producers on stage, Ruby Prem Singh, Pankaj Thakkar, and Manoj Sangvi. Mr. Manoj Sangvi is not present here with us, I believe, but yes, we have the others. So warm welcome to all of you. And yes, it's now time for an open forum, so you all can ask the questions that you want to ask, of course, about the film. And where do I see the first question coming from? Here. Photo? All right. We'd also like to thank our style partner, Lawman Page 3, and the music partner. Yes, where do I see the first question? There, gentlemen, right in the front. Can we have a mic here?
Yeah, hi. So, yeah, Arbaz, to your extreme back. Yeah, extreme back. So, Arbaz, this is your, as a producer, you are quite successful. As an director, you have been quite successful. You know all the, how to hit a movie. You know all the questions. So now, which is that thing about you will say that this movie is going to be a successful stint as an actor in your career?
You know, we all choose films for various reasons, you know. It's like a combined thing. So it's got to do with the script that you work on, the cast that you're going to work on, the producers. So I think it's, I'm at a stage in my career where anything that excites me and I have reason enough to do, like honestly I'm telling you, one of the biggest reasons for me to do the film was to work with her. I just wanted to work with her. You know, I got an opportunity to do a film with her and I was like, I just hope that the script is reasonably good and, you know, the producers are good and I have a good director because I was really keen to do a film with her. And I think the other parameters just fit. The film is unique in many ways, you know, and I think it's got enough for to excite the audience. You know, it's an interesting script, and there's a lot of special effects work which is going to be pretty exciting to watch. The music of the film, like which you just heard in the trailers, I think a couple of songs are very nice. So there is enough and more, and of course, when there's Sunny, you don't really need too many reasons to see the film. You just go to see her. So, so I guess, yeah, that's one. I'm hopeful. Like with every film, you're hopeful that it does well. I'm also pretty much hopeful. But it's all left to the audience, and let's see how it goes here.
So, Sunny, in fact, Arbaz has given a compliment to you as well. When there's Sunny, there's a lot more to see. When it comes to you, what is Tera Intezar for you? How are you just going to take this movie as a career, as a feather in your career?
Well, I always believe that everything is a stepping stone to something else in life. And I got a chance to work with Arbaz, which is amazing for me. And I mean, it's going to sound really weird that I say the same thing. I was so happy to be able to work with him, and I learned a lot from you. And we had a lot of laughs. So much musty and so many jokes. So it was really nice. And you know, I learned a lot on this set, and I learned a lot from the director and from the producers, and I think that's the biggest thing that you can achieve in life is every single day you go to work and you learn something new. And you know, whether what the audience decides, we have no idea, but we all worked really, really hard on this film, and there's a lot of sweat, blood, and tears put into every film, and including this one, so I hope you all like it. I love the songs, and I hope all little girls want to be a Barbie doll or want to have a Barbie doll, and this song maybe might remind them of that forever. And my experience, your second question was
how was your experience?
My experience working on this film, like I said, it was great. I learned a lot. I learned something new every single day and laughed a lot. We smiled a lot, and you know, hopefully we made a great film.
Thank you.
Any other question? No questions at all? That's surprising. Anyone? Yeah. Oh, they're waiting for the 101.
Hi, Sunny. First of all, congratulations to all of you. I am an actor. I am a Gujarati actor. And being a Gujarati, I would like to ask you, if I am not mistaken, this is your second film with Gujarati producer, right? After Kuch Kuch Locha Hai. So tell me honestly, how did you find working with Gujarati community?
I like Gujarati food, and I know Kemcho, Majama Pajama, and then I didn't learn anything else.
Okay, good. Thank you very much.
So Arya, can you just get to hear the kind of role what you are playing in the movie? What's about something what are you doing in the movie?
Hi. I'm playing the antagonist of the film, and as you can see in the trailer, I'm the guy who gives the putte haath, the chapeda, as we call it in Punjab. But taking it away from the humor, I am the guy who causes the trouble in the love story, rather for the twists and the turns to happen. But it is a fantastic script, and it anyways has so many layers to it that it beautifully unfolds. Thank you.
So we have one more question there.
Hello. Arba, is there planning to promote your movie in Big Boss?
Maybe there's a possibility, but I don't know. The producers have to go to the channel and request them. I don't think it's the channel's decision as to whether there's space for any promotion. We would love to, but we can work on that, yeah. Why not? We have to see whether there's any other film releasing around the same time and whether there's a window to promote our film there. Yeah, but love to. It'll be great.
आप कितना देखना पसंद करते हैं बिग बॉस और कितना फॉलो करते हैं?
मैंने काफी सीजन्स फॉलो किए हैं, मतलब सारे नहीं देखता हूँ कभी, मतलब if I can manage to watch I watch, but I do enjoy it. Yeah, it's nice, it's lovely. I like, of course.
सनी लियोनी वाला एपिसोड फॉलो किया था आपने?
हाँ बिल्कुल किया था.
सनी हाय, इस बार आप बिग बॉस देख रहे हैं और कितना देखना पसंद करते हैं?
I have the same answer. अगर मुझे chance मिलता है then मैं देखती हूँ. And how was it? What was your second question?
मतलब आप कितना फॉलो करती हैं?
Oh, okay.
और कौन सा फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट?
You know, I follow everybody on social media, seeing what the updates are, and I like reading the headlines of kya kya drama hua house mein. Then I go and watch it for that particular episode. So I enjoy watching it. I love social experiments. I think that it's a fascinating thing to watch on national television, like most people.
Arbaz, nice to see you in a lead romantic role. How was it romancing Sunny Leone, and how did you break the ice?
Good question. See the movie.
नहीं सर, इतना इंतजार मत कराइए प्लीज, अभी कुछ तो.
Actually, I'm pretty. मैं अपने खुद के करियर से बड़ा शॉक्ड हूँ. इतने साल मैंने 1996 में अपना डेब्यू किया दरार में as a actor in a negative character and all that, and 20 years later I'm playing like a romantic lead with Sunny Leone. Wow. So I was never going to refuse this film. So don't even ask me why I did it or why I didn't do it. I really enjoyed the experience, and it's like she's wonderful. मैं जब इनसे मिला, she's such a warm-hearted and she's so focused, dedicated for her work. कितनी बार ऐसा होता था कि सेट के ऊपर हर सीन के ऊपर ही डिस्कस करते थे और ऐसे ऐसी बारीकियां निकालती थी कि ये सीन हम ऐसे करेंगे क्योंकि लास्ट सीन में ये कैरेक्टर ने ऐसा बोला था. And I was like, you know, she's not somebody who's just like a glam doll who comes on the set thinking that I'm Sunny Leone and, you know, people are just going to watch me and enjoy. She used to be so particular about working hard, her learning her lines, how to perform, discuss with the director, sometimes with me. And I really like this dedication and focus in her. And I think, you know, very soon, depending on the, you know, how she progresses in her career, she's going to have films and a role that people are really going to say that, wow, she's a fantastic actress.
Sunny, same question to you. How was it romancing Arbaz and, what do you...
Only me.
That's the
not
last
And.
question.
In the movie, it was me only.
All right, thank you very much, friends. And
Let her answer at least.
we'll take the last question, please. We can take the remaining questions offline.
Shooting this film with Arbaz was a lot of fun. On top of us discussing how are we going to get from here to here and make it look beautiful and glamorous and sensual. We would laugh a lot actually between takes, and it was fun. You know, he would crack jokes and he'd be this close to my face, and I'm like, really, right now you're going to crack a joke? But it was a lot of fun.
Okay, Sunny, how happy you are with the compliment which you got just right now from Arbaz? The very first question. The second one is,
Of course I feel amazing. You probably feel amazing hearing that. But I'm thankful that he's, said so many nice words.
Okay, आप दोनों अपने अपने फील्ड में बहुत महारत हासिल करे हुए शख्सियत हैं. अरबाज की मैं बात करूं या मैं आपकी बात करूं, आप दोनों से, the question goes to both of you, vice versa. Are you little afraid you'll get overshadowed? I'm asking the question to both of you, Arbaz and Sunny. Vice versa, are you little afraid you'll get overshadowed by Sunny, or Sunny is little worried he'll get overshadowed by Arbaz?
No, I don't think it works that way. When you're working on a film, you're really not trying to compete with the other person. You're just trying to complement the other person. And that's how, good chemistry is built between two actors. Not one-upmanship and all that stuff, like she's trying to be better than me or me trying to be better. I think we had a great rapport, and that, honestly, no matter what the fate of the film is, that you will see it translated on screen in any case. And really, it looks that, that we were really comfortable with each other. We got along, even individually, as personally as friends, and that translated on screen as well.
Sunny, what's your take on that?
Ditto. I agree with everything he said. It's about two people just working together, and not only just us two, the entire crew and cast and everyone working together to just make a film they believe in. Whether it's good or not, we don't know. The audience decides that. But we all worked together and worked hard and respected each other, and I think that's what filmmaking is all about.
Arbaz, you just mentioned she's a fantastic actor and she's progressing day by day, Do you think she should do off-track cinema? She should do parallel cinema, off-track cinema.
Yeah. I think there will be an opportunity. I think whenever she gets a chance, I'm sure she's excited about that. Yeah, she's a very hard-working actress. Everybody improves over a period of time. So she's like, what, 3 films old as of now, 4 films? Yeah. So everybody kind of gets better with time and better with performance, and she's improving like leaps and bounds with every film that she's doing, and she's very hardworking. So it's bound to happen. The day she gets the role that suits her to the T, and particularly the ones that you're talking, and the kind of cinema that is now being kind of absorbed, right? So it's going to happen very soon, yeah.
Hi, Arbaz and Sunny.
Sir, before your question, sorry, can we have the music director of the film on stage, Mr. Raj Asu, and also the singer, Ms. Swati Sharma. Also, I'd request Payal Dev to please join us on stage. Okay, Payal is here with us.
जैसे हम बात कर रहे तेरा इंतजार, ऐसा कोई आपका ड्रीम रोल हो जिसका आप इंतजार कर रहे हो? वी हैव ऑलवेज समथिंग इन माइंड कि इस तरह का रोल मुझे करना है, और कभी ऐसे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले, मे बी एनी ड्रीम रोल फॉर बोथ ऑफ यू. एंड सनी, आई वांट यू टू स्पीक इन हिंदी.
ऑनेस्टली बहुत सी ऐसी फिल्में हैं जो मैंने बचपने में बच्चन साहब की देखी थी, और वो जो फिल्में हैं, वो जो रोल्स हैं, कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि आई वुड बी वेरी एक्साइटेड टू डू दैट. चाहे वो जंजीर का रोल हो, या वो क्या बोलते हैं दीवार में जो रोल हो, पर्टिकुलरली जंजीर. एंड तो ऐसी फिल्में हैं जो मतलब त्रिशूल का जो रोल है, तो आई वुड लव टू डू दोज काइंड ऑफ रोल्स, बिकॉज अमर अकबर एंथनी में भी जो अमिताभ बच्चन साहब ने किया है, तो आई एम अ बिग बच्चन साहब fan because it happened when I was like growing up. So there are a lot of work that he has done, which I feel they are the roles that I would love to do. Yeah.
Yeah, Sunny.
मैं superhero बनना चाहती हूँ. India's first Wonder Woman would be my ideal role.
Arbaz, my question is to you. any comments on the Supreme Court judgment from yesterday, which says it's not mandatory to stand when the national anthem is played in theaters? What do you feel about that?
Actually, I don't know whether this is the right platform to talk about it because we are this thing, but I'm of the opinion that, of course, you've got to respect your national anthem. And if they've said that it is not mandatory to stand, but out of respect, I would still do it.
All right, thank you very much, friends. We are running short of time, so we can take the remaining questions offline. Thank you. And yes, it's now time for a photo op. Once again, the entire cast and crew, our actors and producers, director, everyone's on stage, so we can quickly take some good pictures. And yes, this is to inform you that our artists and the others will be available for interaction post the formal function. And of course, Tera Intezar will be released on the 24th of November, so see you at the theatres. Thank you very much, all of you, for being such a lovely audience. Thank you, and I request everyone to please join us for cocktail dinner. Thank you once again, and have a wonderful evening ahead. Keep shining. Thank you. Mr. Aditya Dev, can we have you on stage, please? Can we have the technicians on stage also, please? Can we have our DOP on stage, Mr. Johnny?
रोमांटिक थ्रिलर है, म्यूजिकल थ्रिलर, जिसमें ऑब्वियसली एक बड़ी यूनिक सी कहानी है और साथ में रोमांस है, उसका म्यूज़िक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, अच्छा है, उसके लोकेशंस अच्छे हैं, उसके अंदर स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स का एक बहुत बड़ा प्ले है. तो एज अ होलसम एंटरटेनर इट हैज़ गॉट इनफ फॉर द ऑडियंस टू गो एंड वॉच. यू नो, अपार्ट फ्रॉम लाइक आई सेड सनी, there is stuff in the movie where people love to go and watch.
Sunny, आप अपने किरदार के बारे में बताना चाहोगे?
Sure. Well, it's you know, again, it's a romantic film that has a lot of amazing music, and it's about two people that are so in love, and when they're torn apart, how they come back together. It's about that journey. And I run a lot and cry a lot, but you know, you have to watch the film to see that I find my love. But it's basically that.
Good evening, Abbas.
Hi, good evening.
Many congratulations for the trailer and the song. आप एक्टर हैं, प्रोड्यूसर हैं, डायरेक्टर हैं, किसमें सहज महसूस करते हैं आप?
Well, मैंने करियर तो एज एन एक्टर शुरू किया और बहुत से अभी भी मतलब वो शौक तो कभी जाएगा नहीं. आई होप कि मुझे ज़िंदगी भर काम मिलता रहे. बट ये फैक्ट है कि अभी मुझे देयर इज़ अ ट्रांजिशन दैट्स हैपेंड इन माई लाइफ. And I was not a filmmaker, but now that I am, I enjoy that process because थोड़ा सा creative control as a filmmaker आपके पास थोड़ा ज़्यादा रहता है. When you're an actor, थोड़ा सा restriction ये होता है कि आप अपने सिर्फ generally आप अपने character पे अपने आप पे concentrate करते हैं और सारे creative decisions are taken by the producer or the director of the day. So when you yourself are a producer director, you have a little more control over क्या script select करनी है, क्या cast करनी है, क्या music select करना है, लोकेशंस क्या हैं. तो उसके अंदर एक थोड़ा सा एक होलिस्टिक जो कंट्रोल होता है, क्रिएटिव कंट्रोल होता है. आई काइंड ऑफ एंजॉयड इट व्हेन आई गॉट इन्वॉल्व विद माय मूवीज एंड आई वांट टू कंटिन्यू डूइंग दैट बिकॉज आई थिंक नाउ दैट्स हाउ आई लुक एट इट.
सनी, तीन पोस्टर्स हैं, तीनों बहुत ड्रास्टिकली डिफरेंट है एक दूसरे से. क्या दिखाना चाहते हैं आप लोग इस पोस्टर से?
Well, मैंने choose नहीं किए, but I'm happy with the selection that the production made, and there are 3 lovely photos, and that's just it. You have to watch to find out exactly what we're trying to convey. It's you know, it's an amazing love story about 2 people, and I actually didn't see that one yet, but
ये जो पोस्टर इसमें ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ आप देख रहे हैं, कुछ ढूंढ रहे हैं, कुछ ऐसे ही है?
Yes, it's
कहानी है इसमें?
yes.
One picture tells a story.
But of course, this picture is about a girl that's trying to find her love, and he's lost, and she can't find him. And that's really what the story is about.
सारी कहानी आपको यही बता दे, देखोगे नहीं जाके, जाओ देखो तब पता।
मोमेंट आप जो हमेशा याद रखेंगे इस फिल्म के दौरान?
Well, like I said कि it has been a very enjoyable journey. ये फिल्म करते वक्त बहुत मज़ा आया, अच्छे लोग मिले इस फिल्म के दौरान काम करें, वो भी एक बहुत अहम चीज़ होती है, क्योंकि एक फिल्म का एक एसोसिएशन बड़ा लंबा एसोसिएशन होता है। जब से आप फिल्म को सिलेक्ट करते हो, उसके लिए शूट करते हो, उसकी रिलीज़ के लिए करते हो, तो इतने टाइम में यू वांट टू वर्क विद द पीपल दैट यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद, यू एंजॉय, हू शेयर प्रीटी मच योर thought process. So I was very, very happy and fortunate. I don't know if I would ever get a chance to get so friendly or close to Sunny. This movie gave me that opportunity to spend time with her, to get to know her better, and I'm so glad that that happened, because if anything that this movie really did to me up till now, I inshallah hope it becomes a big hit, is that I got to know Sunny, and I became friends with her.
Arbaz, is it true?
About what? Of course.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy. Why?
Is it really true?
I'm an actor too, am I? No, I'm good.
It's good, but I'm just asking you.
Why would you want me to be depressed?
No.
Give me one reason why you want me to be depressed. I'm fine. I'm happy. It's good. I'm working. I've got movies releasing. I've got things to do, and my mind's on all of that. And I think my focus is on that. My focus is on myself. Taking care of myself. So I'm in a good space. I'm in a happy space. Yes. Yes, I have already started scripting on Dabang, and hopefully by next year mid we're going to start shooting. Yeah.
Arbaz, अब आप सनी को अच्छी तरह से मतलब पहले से बेटर जाने लगे, तो can we see her in your film? Like एक फिल्म तो हो गई अब.
Yes, why not? Why not? You're already like pitching for a big time.
Probably she can be.
You don't need to. You don't need to. When I need Sunny in my movie, she'll be there. Don't worry.
She can be next Munni.
She can be. Why not? She can create something different. Why Munni? We'll create something different, no? Like how we had Munni, we had Fevicol. We can do something different. Never know.
Such an amazing moment for me. But we shall see what the future holds, and I'll keep pulling his leg saying, hello, I'm available.
Arbaz, एक last question में हमें हिंदी में थोड़ा बताइए, वो जो नेशनल एंथम के बारे में बात किया गया, आपने बहुत ही अच्छा विचार प्रकट किया, एक बार वापस से हिंदी में मिक्स करके आप हमें बताएं जरा।
नहीं, जैसे कि आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट की रूलिंग आई है कि इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी टू स्टैंड अप फॉर द नेशनल एंथम इन मे बी पब्लिक प्लेसेस लाइक थिएटर्स और समथिंग, बट अभी मेरे जैसा आदमी मतलब इररिस्पेक्टिव जहाँ भी बजेगा नेशनल एंथम, मेरे अंदर का जो जज्बा है वो मुझे अपने आप विल मेक मी रिस्पेक्ट एंड मेक मी स्टैंड. सो इट डजंट रियली मैटर टू व्हाट अदर्स डू. फॉर मी नेशनल एंथम मीन्स स्टैंड अप.